Good morning. It's Tuesday, November 28th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Radar checking mainly clear. We see some green in South Georgia, but radar's in clear air mode, so it's looking for any kind of trouble it can find and showing maybe a little bit of mist in a few spots, clouds and a little fog in parts of South Georgia, North Georgia with a few clouds, but those clouds will move out fairly quickly as we move through the day today. And then clear skies, cold temperatures overnight tonight. We'll talk about all that. Let's take a look at our temperatures across the state. We have 36 in Atlanta, showing 28 degrees northwest Georgia in Rome, so below freezing this morning. And then you move down to southeast Georgia, and you can see our temperatures are in the low to mid-40s. It is chilly all across the state of Georgia, but you clearly see that cooler air coming in from the northwest, and we're going to continue to see it push down through the state as we move through the day today and especially overnight tonight. Freeze warning is in effect for a good part of the state, mainly for South Georgia. I'm not even going to show that map because all of Georgia is going to be below freezing tonight. Even Brunswick along the Georgia coastline will be below freezing tonight. So all of us will be below freezing. So it's not just going to be in South Georgia, but based on the date and other things of that nature, some parts of the state don't qualify for a freeze warning here at the end of November. So anyway, just know we're all going to be under freezing tonight. It's going to be cold. Let's take a look at the modeling as we move through the morning hours. Things are pretty quiet. It's going to be a little breezy again. It looks like especially in North Georgia, up in the mountains, could see those 20, 25 mile an hour wind gust again. And the wind just going to be noticeable through the day today throughout the state, but we'll keep the rain away. Clouds continue to break up. We'll see sunshine in North Georgia first. That starts to move down into the mid-state. And later on this afternoon, we'll see clear skies in southeast Georgia as well. As we move through the evening hours, still going to be pretty quiet. Then those temperatures will drop fairly quickly. We still have that northwest wind flow, so bringing that colder air down from up from Tennessee, ultimately coming in from Canada, and that's going to continue to push in overnight tonight. And then tomorrow morning, we wake up to sub-freezing temperatures across the state. We'll show you how low it's going to go with your local forecast coming up in just a second. But again, our overnight low for Brunswick, which is hard to get them below freezing, it will be 30 degrees overnight tonight. So that tells you a lot that's the last spot we usually see a freeze, and it's going to be a couple of degrees below freezing tonight down in Brunswick. So when we move through tomorrow afternoon, and we see our friend high pressure is going to be locked in, so we'll see some sunshine, but that's not going to stick around very long. That will start to move off toward the east, and then starting out Thursday morning, we'll be clear and chilly once again. By Thursday afternoon, some clouds will start to increase, and that wind also picking up as well. We see rain off to the west. Very different rain system here than the last couple of systems that have moved through. This is coming up from the tropics, so we're actually going to get warmer temperatures with the rain as we head into Friday and into the weekend. And then a few thunderstorms in there as well. It doesn't look like this could be a severe risk. With these warm fronts, we don't get as much severe weather compared to the cold fronts. We still could see some thunderstorms, but our severe weather risk looks like it's going to be pretty low with this system as it moves in on Friday and through the weekend. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Here's that cold local forecast for you from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.